Are you looking for the best tempered glass PC cases in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tempered glass PC cases that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5. Quick Release Tempered Glass PC Case. Comes with new features. This is one high-quality tempered glass PC case to consider. It has the front I/O USB Type-C port along with vertical GPU mount for extra convenient use. The vertical GPU mounting allows you to show off your graphic card. It also comes with a built-in mounting bracket as well, so installing is easy for you. The awesome part is that the tempered glass side panel of the case come with a very fast single screw installation. It is simple and easy, and you can set it up within seconds. Along with that, it also includes a faster microprocessor for NZXT-CAM powered control of 2 Hue 2 RGB lighting channels. Plus with 3 fan channels that support either voltage-regulated or PWM fans, this case is so great. We also like its patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps as well. They make wiring easy and intuitive, and it keeps the desk neat for you as well. There are 3 colors available that you can choose from, the choice is all yours. At number 4. Gaming PC Case with Tempered Glass Windows. Here we have an ATX mid-tower gaming computer case with tempered glass that you will like. It can support motherboards up to eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ITX, and more. The great thing about it is that it features the powerful cooling system with its pre-installed RGB LED fans. You can even change the color and mode of the light through the RGB button as well, which is super cool. As for its tempered glass panels, this case features the translucent tempered glass with 2x4mm thickness in Galaxy Dark color. That gives you both the style and clear view of the PC case at the same time. Plus with the neat internal design of the chassis for cable management, this case is super great. Not to mention the dust filters on top and bottom, it can effectively prevent dust from entering the computer case as well. This option has both quality and style that you can trust, so let's see if you like it. At number 3. Quiet Tempered Glass PC Case with Dark Base. The name of the brand already tells you what this case can do, and yes, it works quietly. With the unique steepless dual rail fan controller, you can switch between silence and performance modes easily. Apart from the fans, the case also features the legs on the base as well. That is very unique, and it plays a part in keeping cool air circulating even better at the base. It is also ready for radiators up to 420mm that you can install, and that is a total plus. Along with that, its motherboard tray and HDD slots come with enhanced possibilities for individual requirements as well. We really like the tempered glass design of this case, for it looks so sleek and sophisticated. Plus with the eye-catching RGB LED illumination, the style is all yours. This case comes with both style and performance, no doubt why it is among the best tempered glass PC cases. So don't forget to check it out, you might like this option. At number 2. Type-C RGB LED Tempered Glass PC Case. With clean and sharp design, this is one stylish PC case that complements any gaming desk out there. The unique thing about this case is that it comes with detachable tempered glass side panel. That allows you to remove it for cleaning or setup easily by just pressing the button. As for the front panel, it features the simple and clean design along with a striking LED bezel. At the same time, the front I/O is at the top, which makes the whole case looking super cool. That is not all, this case also comes with special GPU holder for extra support as well. The thing is that both the exterior and interior are great, and they work together to bring just the best for you. Plus with its Type-C port, you will be able to enjoy great data transferring speed using this case. This one comes with 2 colors that you can choose from between black and white, the choice is all yours. At number 1. ARGB Airflow Tempered Glass PC Case. This brand never fails you when it comes to the best tempered glass PC cases, and this is an example of that. The combination of mesh and transparent front panel makes this PC case one great choice to choose. That is to offer great airflow along with a crystal clear view of the fans. Plus, with the filtered ventilation on the top panel, this case provides additional thermal support while offering mounting options. Speaking of fans, this case comes with dual 200mm ARGB fans which are capable of working quietly while moving high volumes of air. That is not all, the fans also features the ARGB lighting system that you can easily manage as well. From great ventilation to style, this tempered glass PC case has them all for you. Many gamers are satisfied with this option, and you can be one of them too. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more video like this.